David, done.
Where are you doing, my dog?
Yeah, boy, everything active.
Where you all going with?
Them there, boy, say me a come. Get a link, you know, cause so me know a year spot, yes, so you're regular basic this.
Boy, me wonder where you decide to link me now how much days, weeks now me a try link you and me can't see you again. So why difference now?
So, David, how all of a sudden you come with that, bro? Kind of style that.
Why, look how much time I link you in the last week and even this week. Say, yo, how we got a road, grow on another ranks, Yardman Cafe, go frig up a place. And you know link me, dog.
David, things and time change, you know, bro. A different ball game and kick, you know.
I mean different ball game.
Bro.
What different than now?
You have a woman, as in. You have a woman where live town side, but can't bother with the back and forth to run up and done thing. You know, bro, cause she will come and go, you see it. She have all time when she come and she wash me, she cook for me, she give me a proper massage and, you know. But want to live in with her, you know, bro. I can't take a phone call back and forth thing.
Bro, you had a long time you had him a deal?
Say probably about 2 months.
Let me tell you something now, my bro. You how much?
Bro, young bro.
Yes, if you go live with woman in your young days I know, I want to wear that. And they always say, see me and live with me are two different something. I don't tell us what you say wrong. I don't tell us what you say right, dog. But see me and live with me are two different something. Might be a woman good, might be a woman nice, maybe everything good when you just see each other. Because a relationship young said we know, dog. But you see, anytime a relationship start get pick up, might be things will change. I might be an angry like her. And then, who knows that? You're saying Confronting, you're saying come and go. Maybe it's a reason for that. Maybe it's a good reason too. You see me?
That's right. No, you tell me saying I make no sense, bro. Not try, not done, bro.
Well, me not tell us if you not try no dog, but all me I say, see me and live with me are two different things. For all you know, a woman good come here and bust up your face.
Well, wait, then let me ask you a question. Are your face or my face?
Then not for your face.
So how that concern you?
Because you're my brother, dog. You're my bro. Somebody just say the right thing. And then, remember, say, me and you forgot road there, dog. I know me and you woman normally got road, you know. You see me? And we run up, and we mash up the road and get the girl them, you know, dog. The girls, what he said. Can you say I know for them? So right now, you tell me fooling me.
Let me run my program, bro. No girl can bust up my face.
You believe so? So where you go?
40 a chat, bro. Me a go there so, bro. No girl can bust up my face. Remember, say I run my show now, me put on my stage show now, me host the party and everything, you know, bro. So I tell me, say, I'm telling you.
You're right thing.
Come like, you know, wake up good this morning. Look come on.
Look come on.
B, watch out. Oh yeah, do that so early.
How me do that so early?
Yeah.
You know why me there early? Me tell us me I come, what you talk about?
So how you come and you not call me?
Brother, me tell us me I come early, so me can see if you have no girl in the house there. At 4 o'clock me wake up.
B, you should have.
You know how long me there wait for you, brother?
You should have text or call me and tell me say I come.
Me don't need to do none of that. A girl you have ya. Make me need to text you and tell her all of the details. Me tell us how today me I come, you know that.
You know, say if you did text me and call me, I would get breakfast in bed.
Oh, breakfast in bed. I must want that girl I care for me. I'm tell her this youth. I come here now. So you know, so I come to take over seat here. My bag. And leave me, I can't live here. Somebody else make you know that. See the big bag there, so. I come to move in and stay.
Yeah, that was the plan.
Yeah, hour.
But you just pull up son so.
What you mean by when I pull up so sudden? Tibby, I come here for rule here, so what you talk about?
What you mean when you talk about?
Hello, I'm talk. I mean I done for this, so I don't know why you going to talk about why I come so sudden. You don't know why I come so sudden? But there are different rules to this.
No, nobody raise a voice and find out. Know yourself, you know. You tell her that, you know.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, who you talk to, sir? Man, what you doing, Tibby? Man, what you do? Who you talk to like that? Who? No. You forgot to say me I'm mad, girl? I'm sick, you know?
I treat you
Don't around put me, Tibby. Me box off your face. Who you chat to, sir? Who you talk to like that on a dick? Remember say me a town girl, you know? Me a mad girl. Why you look over there if I'm here chat to?
I look for see if you really drape me for real, you know. And if you really show me, come I can't believe so that really happening, you know.
Awa. Awa. Me not tell us I come rule this. What you come talk about?
What you mean,
Hey boy. Man, what you doing now? Man, what you do, Tibby? No, we really are trying to prove.
I dream, man.
No, you're not a dreamer. I'm back to see if you're a dreamer or what? You're there, so took off. What if it's a boy I know who I'm
You know, so just tell my friend while ago, say no girl can rule me and box me in my face.
How you just get where I go?
No, sir. This can't
You know
be real.
what? Oh, go in. Go in, me sick. You piss me off. Who gonna go in and me a chat to you and say, turn up before you idiot.
So
Yo, take up my bag. Take up my bag.
Take time
Take
with
up
me.
my bag. You piss me off. Just go on, man.
Relax, no.
Come now,
You
we
know
are
I can't
chatting.
go on, so.
Go on, man. No, we are chatting like that.
Dog, you know about me out of everything. I'm a virgin. The man would have come like, he said, Link, come here, I said something and the man turn dog. Everywhere, and me and him go. I feel much weeks now and days now, man. Nah, link me again, dog. Me a link him figure a road. I be excuse. Ray.
Long time and Tibby apart still, you know.
Brother,
I expect Tibby fair deal with a certain way, you know, there.
My
I know
way.
far, no, I come from, you know, a full.
Lord Jesus Christ. Father God, what is me really take up on my head though? Look how me I tell David and say no girl can roll me and box me in my face. I'm gonna take up a mad girl from town. Better me did look one girl and niggle. I swear to God.
Hello.
Yeah, say be.
Away there, mama.
No, me and mum brother say yo, me love you and it come like me find me love of my life, you know. My future wife forward be. Too long more to come here, you know. You should have did forward from 2 days ago. That me now mumble about. Me did tell my friend
Sure.
David and you know, say, anytime I find love, you know, he know if he call me certain time of night, you know. Kawa. It's a man a love party. Right now, I feel like if you go to him, go tell him, say, yes, you have, when you reach after 11, don't call me phone, none talk. How I be?
That's the one what you mean by enough to call. Like him a call her a girl. Which one? You lie to me?
No, me no want him go call me. Remember say I'm in love of my life, you know, and you come down, you know. I me there reason with myself both. So me no want him go call me if you go on the road and then remember say him no know say you there, you know.
Oh, make sure I call him. I'll show him. I'll show up if Missy girl call her for 11.
And that's why I want to go to him, I don't want to go to him. Say me find me love of my life, come down from town. And I tour with you, you know, because you're moving. So I want to tell him if you don't call me phone and you reach certain time. Because boy I love road, you know, be.
And that hurt me out of everything, you know. You know, say, I seen this man in regular page of the dog and say, yo, where go on? The man will tell me, say, yo, no, say, there's a woman you find from town where I come and go every now and then. So me I say, alright, you have a woman where I come and go. When the woman not there, how come me I can link up? The man say you have to go up and call, come like you want.
The youth, them weak, man.
Be.
Recently with
I
that.
don't really escape from the yard, you know. I more run from here, you know. But, me not, if you tell you the truth, be, to be honest, I see box or you box me or box or you box off from while I actually even know you bring me alive.
Yeah.
Me did feel like me overdose, but you bring me back to reality. I fax me a chat, you know. Right now, more I run go to David, go tell him, say, yo, me meet me love of my life and we live in, you know, and we go, alright, now comfortable, because I got stuck in my life, you know. And I run from you, you know, be.
I'm glad I know me not go to your life.
You, me glad me know.
Yeah, come in now.
And you feel glad you know, say, me nah go nowhere, me nah no run, no walk, no leave. Me nah go nowhere. What me say me nah do?
Me not go nowhere.
Alright.
So how long you go there for?
Just 5 minutes more I go tell him more reason with him and make him know what I want. Make
You
him
can't take 6 minutes, man.
6.
But any you make 6 minutes pass, I done them here come for you.
God know.
I done them here come for you.
Alright,
I
6.
threaten them
Me
here
nah
and
make
threaten
6 pass, B.
So nobody not take you like.
Me nah make 6 pass, but B. You love that box you give me. Give me one more no.
You really want to do that?
Give me one. Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel alive! Yes!
He come like, say, the man want to go up and call at night time and hear him voice and back up, yo.
When I hear him normally drink rum and road every night, man.
Now that me I show you, Bro,
Every party I 200, so I'm going like,
Bro,
can link up and bun a floss or romance style.
you see, if a man did tell me, say, yo, we can link up, but we can't link up as often. Can you have a woman? I respect that, because we don't love man.
We don't love, man. I woman them we love.
But dog, I don't even understand him thing, and I don't even rest that from my brain.
Hold it.
What is that? Oh, yeah, run salt boat. Yo.
What go on, Biggs?
I'm there, man.
You don't know say come like your prophet.
With what?
You don't know say girl come then. Box me in my face and
I lie.
Allah ya tell. Box of what?
You don't know say girl come. Come like him if you got say for my place. Vice I get lower than mine in my place.
And what happened?
Me raise my hand, you go licky.
You not clot him?
Clot him, I wish we could have get a chance to clot him.
So what you do?
The girl drape me and box me after me raise
I
my
show them me. How much time you box up?
Upon side, I don't see fight no, upon side.
I two side them.
Hold them Jesus
two.
Christ.
I two side them in box up.
Man.
So yo,
I tell us say you saying weak, man.
brother, no
But
this
they really make woman come in your place and I beat you up.
charging you this morning, woman come how in box down already.
Tell me say come from town and you know ramp with people
One
and
girl a bad girl, you know.
no.
You really make them a girl come down in your place.
Me tell you, you should make him continue come and go. Just see you get box in your face
Why
now.
if you take you out of the house and see a film, you don't know how
You know what me have to do to reach out to so?
What?
You have to find excuse, tell him say you go come out as a country tell him tap call me after I reach home. How was Davy?
What half of me don't call the phone? You think me love man?
Yo, you know if you do you would try get yourself out of the situation and don't wait till it's too late, you know. See your business not concern me, you know. But me I tell you, no ramp with the town girl, me know Davy. We link up.
Pick up yourself,
Biggs.
man.
Yo,
So dog, he really box it down with you.
yeah, tell us a girl box me, bro. When me think me, yo, remember me did tell us say no girl can rule me and no girl can lick me in my face, but
You get trick. You trick yourself. I haven't trick yourself.
look, bro, when me laugh, bro, all my face I hurt me, bro. Yo, the girl box me at you know. What you think me fi do?
Brother, come out of that situation, the dog. Go up your yard right now, run the girl out to your house and tell him, say, oi, my bad boyfriend David Dan. Tell him, say, I'm me, say no. But I tell him, no, use my name, no. Tell him, say, your friend David Dan. You know, if you know, say, I'm still.
Yeah.
Tell him, say, me, say, no girl can't do my friend that. And matter of fact, come out of your house and go back at town. If a bus fare you want, me will take bus fare out of my pocket and give you over set up the girl there.
Rate me though.
Oh, me not rate you.
You want me get one more box?
So hold on, so you like get the box them?
But if you go over there and tell her that, she not gonna drape me and box me again.
I will for a house, I will build the house.
Away, mother one. The bother girl is here, which is she.
So hold on.
My girl.
Oh, hi.
I feel look clean like when I wash my bike.
Oh, hi. I'm new to this area and me I look for one you named Tibby because me saying the work. You know which part in there?
Tibby, what kind of work are you saying?
Me no know, me just a look for him.
Oh no man, any work where you want to look for Tibby for do, me can do it. Me do all type of work.
Oh, but a Tibby me I look for.
Listen me no man, I'm a professional. And me do all type of work.
Sir, me not busy about that. Me say a Tibby me I look for.
No, but me I tell her like when you in the area and I can take you to the beach and show you
Me
the
not
place.
interested. You know which part Tibby is?
Tibby out on the front of someone.
Which part? Which part of the front?
Right out of on the front. For you go out there say what you see, but not tell him say I miss. Me tell her say.
Alright, sir, respect here.
Alright, baby, me not tell a lie though. I'm in love with your body. That living in your hole like a crab. That's crazy. I say brown in the nice. Why am I going to take? Rotted. I look for Tibby and I walk with Tibby. That look good.
So let me ask you something. So you like get the box them? I feel like you like get it because there's nowhere in hell, there's nowhere in earth. You can't get a girl can't come 159 and a box you by 201. That don't make no sense. Send him my yard. So imagine if in there they are 2 days, 3 weeks, 4 months now. Me hospital, me have to visit you, me can't come in your yard again.
No, tell a lie no. The box them make me alive, you know. We love them. We are telling you say.
You want sick boy man. This why I get for the hospital.
Boy, you know easy. Davy,
Yo.
hide me.
Hide the flower. Who? Which boy? Which boy?
See, no man, see her there. Hide me, no,
Hello.
please.
How we are do ya so? Excuse.
Davy, no move.
How we are do ya so? What's ya?
No, remember me did tell us me a come.
Remember what? Me not give 6 minutes and 30 seconds.
Davy,
Are you there so shut up
Hello,
this or something?
hello, miss.
Hello, shut up fear man. Who ya hello? A fear man?
Me not have no man.
A fear man?
you know make you look so be a.
This a woman.
No, me lim off your face so you do it so.
Tibby! Oh, you have to make this a woman that come and start chat all him off her face. Box off in hand for you.
Mr. Boy, I am making a side with myself.
No.
Eh?
Tibby, box off in and off. No, boy, don't tell me for she. I'm here part from when. This a woman that can't come in the sun and roll up a boy.
Okay. So, I am man. I want you there.
Yeah, there.
Tibby, I want you there.
I'm here there.
So, who Maggie talk?
Woman, why you do this
You
thing? You
can't
know?
give no talk. Hey, don't give me woman no talk. Don't give me woman.
Boy, you can't come and say make woman have stick in your hand.
What do you mean? Lick me outside.
Yeah, man.
Lick me outside.
Go.
Lick me again.
Go.
Love
Go,
you.
myself, I'm going to leave my off your head.
Lick me again. No, lick me
That's why I
again.
have to love me.
I love you.
Yo, see after this, I am here to look a black boy. So, I leave my fear face too, you know.
Woman, me and your man and I same thing, you know. Boy, I know that, you know.
No, check again, no.
Me and your man and I say.
David, come here.
I'm telling you, man, you know, what kind of life is a man you live in, brother?
What happened to you?
What do you mean, what I'm telling you?
You can't talk to yourself. You're man.
Oh, say one girl take up one piece of bamboo a while ago for lick off and me have to hurt him and shot him 2 bucks. Yo,
Who tell? Who beat you?
who for beat me up? Who for beat up David? You mad man.
No, man.
Yeah, right.
Tell me what happened. Why you beat people and girl pick me?
Yeah, that you don't understand now. You know for my friend Tibby, when me and him go road and party and
Yeah, Tibby, everybody know Tibby.
alright. You know say Tibby and my brethren and me and him go road. My boy that. Tibby start move white from what day. Me and him link up and say, hey, what
move wide?
he dog now link me again. He now link me again. So me and him link up and say, hey, what is going on? Father tell me say get a woman. You see me? Nothing wrong with that. I feel life that. But he now link me again. He now link me again normally. And me and him 24/7. I know me and him 0 out of 7.
Wife, tell you the truth, you know, Father God. Show no this David say, you know. Style thing that, you know, but anyway, you take it. Can't go and like me, I play tough and get boxing on my face. You're mad in front of my friend. I'm gonna friend him up back, look more. Boy.
Oi,
Want me?
you see you? You see make a friend embarrass me down the road a while ago?
My friend.
What kind of style at Tibby?
So
They
be
give you 6 minutes and 30 seconds, you make me have to come find you. And I get disgraced by your friend, like your ugly friend. If you understand, say you have woman or no.
Yeah, boy, that can at least call me. But hold on, that not a joke. That not a joke. His story new start yet. That get new man. So he come down, he say woman come from town, he move from he come for living. So I say, alright, normal free. See them and live with them and nothing. Yeah, your father will tell me. No girl can rule him and blah blah blah. So I say, alright. So I link up with them now. Me and the dog explain. Same thing what I tell him. Why time I start say yo, Ray, 1 or 2 things. Me see Tibby a runner come, in face swell up. Be a box mark in her face. So me I say, yo, warm to you.
Am I man a war?
Which man a war, right? Man box him down cause he more too loud. So me I say, Tibby, you can't what kind of lifestyle this brother, you can't live so. He Kayla, the woman come 8:01. At 8:06 I be a box in a Tibby face and I see man a run come back.
Maybe I didn't type a relationship with Tibby like.
What you mean?
But how you involved in it? But I feel them relationship in
Let me
a
tell you
film
how
business.
me involved now. The girl go walk, come and see me and Tibby attack. We do one big bamboo in her hand. Oh, come go up in her yard. So he can't do that. He cannot do that to my friend. He have to do that not even when he can't that when me alive. He have to do that when over my dead body. So me I say, boy, where you eat that? Go over there, sir. So me I tell him, say, don't make a woman send you up.
But you know so that's how you get in a year backside if you get it.
Get what? I mean, give him it. Don't forget.
Woman beat up you?
Yeah, you eat that. Which woman should beat me up?
You man should beat up your man because you're too enough, David.
Me not too enough. I'm my friend that. No woman enough to come and beat up my friend.
Listen to me. I could have your friend 1 million times. I could have your friend from a suck on nipple or nothing like that. You see, if Tibby want woman to beat him, woman go and beat him. If Tibby no want no woman to beat him, no woman can beat Tibby. So you're not supposed to go in a Tibby relationship.
So be when time run off, me never think of the back of me.
You know, see boy nearly box me done. Why do if you need box me done?
Oh, if I did ever out there, see, I think that could have gone.
Oh, so I can't have nothing about when he did that. Shut up, people.
Be if they beat me in front of me.
You know, some I like your style. But don't like your style.
Be pint here, so no pint in my face.
Anyway, me want pint in my pinty. your friend this me down the road, you just stand up there, you hide back on. When they do? The two of them get here, some don't know where they are hide behind them.
B, what you come here for do? You come here for live good or you come here for beat me?
You stress me. You stress me, you stress. I'm a talk of where phone there? Cause me I take everything from you. Cause you see you not go see you not left here.
So me go call it. Me go call. See my
Give
phone.
me phone. All that china look well nice too, you know. If you rich girl here, take me sir, take care. Give me all your money.
No.
Feel bright, yeah, give me all your money. Where money there? You just saw look for me, my youth.
So what?
But that Tibby relationship.
Me fi see my friend. My friend what me grow with. My friend what me and him partner and grow together. Woman have beat him and I deal with him like he's nothing. I'm fi just watch it.
You can't, you not fi sit and watch it. You can't talk to him and say to him say that don't look good and if he not change or he not do nothing fi come out of the situation. You left him make him get the beat because that if he want.
Cause the whole world. Let me tell you how. What really hurt me.
So B, me can ask you one question.
What happened?
Why you take my phone and my money and my chain from me?
You really want to answer that question there? I take away your money so you can't give no girl no money. I take away your phone so you can't call no girl. I'm going to take away your chain so no girl no compliment you.
So how you find me?
How me find you? Me not tell us anyone make me rule. And your own friend that me use and find you. I'm a talk I want check in your head box. I'm mind where you are there. Me I give you 3 if you go inside. 1, 3.
And I say, woman, come. And I say, woman, come and run him in the yard. And I say, boy, you hear that? Him and I say, don't tell me nothing. Me not tell him nothing about him, woman. And I say, if you want to go up in the yard, him we do it. Then, you're Tibby now. Lick me, baby. Me see woman take him bamboo and lick him cross him back.
I want to smile.
Me say, he say, hallelujah. Yo.
Well,
he come like he cut everything in me.
Well,
if you cut me right, that's the blood not come out. Then hold on, me don't tell her what happened because you not understand yet. Me say, oh, what you do? Don't lick him, man. The girl go raise up bamboo in my face, said time me take you out and box him down. And just run come down and say, because I don't even know what come out of fight. But the box then catch him still.
But you're not right. Listen to me. You say Tibby tell the woman to beat him, right? That means that Tibby want to beat him, David. Don't get that Tibby, please me, I beg you. And Tibby a friend. Anything what Tibby want to do in life, make Tibby do it in life. Tibby like woman want beat him. Maybe find pleasure in it. If you find pleasure in it, there's nothing you can do. Tibby no problem say the woman beat him. Why you pick it up on your head? Don't put it on your head because of your friend.
The man come to me and tell me say woman a beat him and he want to escape. And when he see the woman in turn idiot, you don't understand. Oh, me see this. Oh, a man come to me and I cry for help.
No, what me say well gonna go in your head.
A man come to me and I call for help. And me I try to save him.
Then call the popo then.
Me not call the police for him. If the woman want to beat him, make him beat him, bust up in his head, because he not have sense.
He has sense of what he want. Enough man like when woman beat them, you know, because they say so. To prove their love. Just like how woman a beat woman and woman say, I truly love me make him a beat me. I truly the woman love Tibby make him a beat Tibby.
You really think that?
I feel them type of love. But you don't like it. When the woman do that, sit and talk to him. And if you don't listen, just leave him alone. Simple as that. There's nothing you can do.
You feel so?
Yes, you can't go beat up him, woman. You can't go do the all while to defend him or part them. You might lose your life. Anything might possible.
Suppose me go over there and beat up woman.
You might go to prison. The assault. Because it's not your yard. It's the woman's yard. Just stop, walk on the road and talk to yourself like you're mad. Just take a little time and go on home. But think about better things. You don't have a house for your bill now. You don't have nothing in your life. You need a new job.
Yo, look come on. Thanks.
Yes,
look come on.
just do that. I know man, there something to say 1, 2, 3. Let me put on this as something a special for you. So any around put my cloth in here. So you that gate and not even lock. I want to you. What you look so?
B. Right now, I'm stressed out. You take my phone, you take my money, plus me not have my chain again. What you expect me to do? Me no must look stressed out.
Sorry, that's your that's a Tibby. I look like you have the whole world for your head.
Me not have no money, me not have no phone, me not have nothing.
And who caused that?
You,
How me cause that?
cause you take it.
You look ugly friend if you never did do anything and you misbehave yesterday, that would have happened. So why your problem? Now you misbehave. Now you
B,
me a chat to you and I say now you misbehave.
if you understand B, you shouldn't even come a road come deal with man so like me a boy.
So all I people me ask you a serious question. I'm gonna tell you a 6 second.
Yeah, you
Eh?
sitting at me yesterday and right now my mind no settle, you know. I tell you the truth. Me just a think about all sort of something. My mind no settle at all. Cause see my friend on my road right now, man come like in town. What they were there for people? You sitting with them where you see a gym where people them beat up, punching bag. Even a punching bag.
So why you say that boy your friend? No, you just why you bring that all over my place about that?
Baby,
Wow.
a rest from my head. Me not like you, man. Don't like you and in this me feel girl too. Girl and nobody.
If you
Yeah,
take, oh me look, it a pass more than 6 I go over time. Oh me come here and hide, cause you know see you do something wrong, you hide.
yeah, at least you give me 6 minutes, but you should have wait till me come over here beat. Me not do that in front of my friend them next time.
I will do it again. I'm not why you talk to your friend like in disrespect me. Ain't not do nothing about this. But he box me, I'm making him box me.
What I'm for do when I come out there with big thick Philip me done?
Because me tell us something you this you not listen to my orders, I'm telling you me I run things, I'm me I run this. So why you just never listen? They listen expect somebody to come beat you?
B, me can ask you one question.
Yeah, I say.
You love me, not true?
Yeah, that's how I beat you. This one nice. I love that, you know. Yeah, that nice
Lick me
though.
again, lick me again.
That nice
Oh,
though.
yo, you love me for real, me just
Yeah.
feel it.
Like me I tell my youth when me beat you, I feel love.
The girl I beat the youth. I like it, but babe, what make woman beat man?
See, sometimes some man then deserve it even you can't serve for them sometimes.
What do you mean by that?
I mean by that. Sometimes some man do certain things where pissed off a woman or do some things where they are wrong and they not see it enough for them eyes so they are wrong. So sometimes the female them get angry or aggressive and just take out their anger upon them and beat.
So you would have beat a man?
No, sir, lick me again. Boom, bad. Yo, you love me, not yo. You love me for real, you know say.
That's when woman beat man, I love them.
You know say, Davy, you go want to give me 6 more minutes to go chat to him. Cause me I go tell him say yo, me woman beat me just because she love me. You can't give me 6 minutes to go down there and come back.
Again?
Yeah, B, come on talk to him. You can't talk to him.
But that being a good friend,
That no have
he's
nothing.
a bad influencer.
That no have nothing
Wait,
to do
let
with
me
it,
ask you
B.
a quick. You see, anytime you see me I beat you again, you know, if you put him big broccoli nose in it. That not have nothing to do with him. When woman I beat man and I kill them, I love.
So
And if he put himself in our business again, may I show him some love. Come on, what kind of style
so
that?
me can't get me chain before me go on the road.
Remember if you can't change.
Please no be.
See what change for?
One have on me chain to
Make
go
sure
on the
no
road.
girl I go look you know.
No sir.
You too insist man, a girl I go look you.
No, me I talk to Davy. Alright, B. Lick me again no.
Leave me alone.
More feel the love one more time before me left here.
I'm
Lick
not
me.
sure you love a cripple half of
Lick
you.
me again no B, just lick me again, please.
So in a heart, I see
B,
you love.
just lick me again no. L, come again. Oh, come again.
You want someone eat that you take go on.
If you deserve it, why not?
Sick in your head.
What do you mean by it?
Sick in your head. So what him can do for deserve it?
There are many things, B. There are many things.
Give me-
Whereas when you're weak to a person or soft to a person, anything is possible.
So you feel like say, alright, let me ask you a different question. So you would ever think to beat me?
If you do something wrong,
You're sick in your head. You're sick. You're sick. You're sick. You're sick. You're sick.
what do you mean by
You
it?
drop my head on you look up at me. You can't beat this a boy. This a boy only broke you up. I told me for that person. I mean, like,
What do you mean?
I don't hit women. Baby, The day you feel like so you can do that, you go say something.
So why you do me? You always doubt me, why?
I'm not doubt you now, but watch out.
David, Dad! Daddy, with Nicky Wagwan.
Yeah.
So they let you out of the house.
Oh man, me and Mama raised her this morning. I kind of let out the house. I feel me a dog.
Boy, me feel that worse than that, you know.
Be things me hear boy you do.
Be a things like what?
What if I things?
Whole heap of things.
Thinking out, brother, I never know say soft dog.
Soft, me soft.
I myself here talk to.
What me soft with?
Or yourself, but there's no say me know what I go on,
So
brother.
David, I say you really there sit down and chat with your woman dog.
Watch out
Till
with
she
them.
can tell me say me soft, bro.
Watch out with them, woman.
We don't know me tough, bro.
Tibby, first of all, the only thing tough for your head, your brain part, you're not in a sense. Secondly, me not tell me not utter a word to my woman about your shameful situation, cause you're what? Baby, how you find out about him sad
It
news?
stink on the road, brother. Down the road me I come from and me hear people a shop
Stink.
and walk and chat about it. Say you have girl a beat you.
Nothing no go so.
You know, so this man me pass Uncle George shop, and he say, Davey, you know, so want to your virgin. Clean when can't chat good, can't
Yeah.
eat then drop out. You know, I'm share virgin. Me a pass down all the shop and me a hear she a barely came up there get, and that bamboo tree woman come with bamboo a beat him.
AI that, bro. You know say AI one thing where can make you look like you war. When in a war, make you look like you get boxed. You know get boxed.
Brother, I miss chitty video sitting dog. Hey yo, you see when you run off I say, me feel alive, like me. Hey, let that me slip off video, brother. Me shame.
Just show me you see.
Yeah, you done.
You have a
Yeah, you
twin?
done.
Yo, send in your man.
You can't tell him to send me.
Me ain't no reason you said that with the woman there. So send in your man.
Yeah, me not say nothing, but I feel embarrassed about my situation and can't come to terms and say I real something.
But it stink on road and I don't know if you hide.
Then if it stink, why they not go beard it? Aspire and cologne.
You must know.
Let's go in, please. Tell me.
Yeah.
More tell all this stuff. Yes, you say. You saw you yesterday. You know what you diss me.
David, you know say you shouldn't do that though.
What I mean, what I shouldn't do?
You shouldn't chat about this. You know say I mean you chat about it in front of woman David.
Brother, make me and my woman not chat about nothing, dog. He come to me this morning and say, baby, I want to Tibby. What kind of video that me I see with Tibby? I tell you the worst part about it. My face, me, David, and where I star with every girl love. Why did I think I get lick with your dog?
So David, bro, I love me woman love making beat
He
me.
don't love you, he will beat out your senses. Tibby,
You don't say that this me.
me nah diss your woman, I diss you. And you a diss me cause you diss me of your woman. When me tell you say, boy, don't move. You say, you don't tell me what to do. And your woman side up, matter of fact, you don't say this, me should have diss you for true do dog. Brother,
If your woman now beat you, your woman not love you. My woman love me and that's why she a beat me.
who tell us so? Your woman tell us so. He come like him beat out his sentence with it up in your head, making none left.
You can't tell me what to do. My woman love me so my woman a beat me. Oh, I'm tell you, brother.
Till me ain't go par said way no that. Me ain't never par what day no because you have woman you know. And now me ain't go par worse if you have woman a beat out your sentence in that. Me ain't par say you know. Cause me a star in that.
No, your woman no love you. Cause your woman not beat you, so your woman no love. Oh, I'm
My,
tell you.
and I love you, love me. A sense in you have, you love yourself. If you put one palm me down and mark you good because see him.
You know what? My sister, you have no sense, bro. So me I come go on me yard, bro. I come for reason with that dog, and you reason like you have no sense, bro. Come go on me yard, brother. Cause you know say I'm a fool, you. When man good. Understand that and logic in your brain. Me I get lick a woman love me. Yeah, me need that, bro.
What happened how you look so? What happened to you, Davy?
Yeah, you know, say second time the body are this me.
What happened now? What happened to you and Timmy now? What happened now? Everything you and him have something.
You feel say you right for your friend and look out for you. And your style of friend.
No, cause a good friend that any friend can't tell you the truth as it is and a good smaddy. And what happened again now?
He man now tell me say he likes me woman that beat him and said me for mind the business.
Yeah. You sure that woman not put something in a certain game?
Come like saying like say man beat out in sense them I know and nothing to begin
But
with
me
that.
I say
I
probably
don't even know anymore, baby. I don't even know.
Okay, yeah. So 6 minutes now gone. I want to take this a boy so long. Alright, 2:40. And him coming, shall see what go happen to him.
I don't even know.
But you see right now, as me see it, you see, to how you pick up him and show him certain levels and he can't obtain to that be, you have to just low him there. Cause it don't make no sense you look out for him. But say yeah and him, you know. With this situation thing we me see it, everybody have your circulate now, you know, and your best friend, you know. So anyway you got people are gonna have if you say your best friend, you know. And yeah, but him a go down in a that you know say him a go down in a wall look sink hole and him a bring you down with him car and you charge like that. People know no brother know so on the closer road daddy. So right now you have to know where you have to be. Me I tell you the truth right now. Me can't bother with you, I swear to God, cause every minute you come is the next thing between you and him.
You feel so?
I feel so big.
Babes, me and him a come from far and right
I
now.
understand now.
No, but me I say for right now, if you see, yo, actually, you don't know it hurt me. If you know, say my charge that, and them I sit there and go through and yo,
I understand.
babes, you see, the first time I come and I see woman beat him with the bamboo. If I would have taken bamboo out and I beat him myself, but
Yeah, say that. I'm only like if you beat me with him. Anyways, but your friend, you supposed to can tell a friend so, and he say, dog, you know, see a true you tell me. Let me just clutch back and turn up like a man. Probably in week to woman or woman give him something fin get weak to him or something. You never think so? Cause there's no way no man like that I go turn up and make woman deal with them so. You're not gonna try to defend yourself or something, babe.
well, anything I say that me I work with you know. God
Yeah,
know.
brother, cause you're stressed out over him more, you're stressed out over me. Me can't, you know like that.
Alright, tell her. I think me all out the youth you know, but me only Kayla one more time. Come on, one second opinion on this.
Alright then,
Alright.
get as much advice as you can.
Alright, me I do, cause me all out him. Thanks,
Yeah, later.
Yeah.
Every minute you come with
Don't
me.
say what you want. Hear that door. All me I tell you man say yo. When woman love man, woman beat man. When woman love man, woman beat man. Woman be aware
So where you come here so loud up your mouth for what?
No, Tibby. You know say Tibby you know I'm good boy.
Me I tell her 6 minutes. Tibby, you can't forget lick from me? Me I tell her 6 minutes.
Something happened to you?
Kayla, me I stop par with you. I stop par with you. You want to believe say the boy come me here this morning see me and my woman a reason. Alright, me tell us I done this from yesterday you know. But he come in forward this morning, right? Me and him a reason. Mama go mention to him say what kind of thing that. I mean no mention nothing to him you know, but you didn't know say they have video of it.
What?
If video when the woman a beat him with the bamboo, you can't tell me say you don't see it.
But never miss it, but I just come here to stop on the roadside for.
Just don't know, so after he come you know,
Sir.
after him come a yard and I've talked about all of that. Me also brethren, you know like them style like that. You know say man diss me. He diss me for him woman and say you like it. He hit them when he get, you like he slap them, everything when he get, you like it. And I love the girl, I love him, make sure I do him that.
I'm asking a question. Tibby saying like say the woman a lick him. Why you still put yourself in a make
I
like
put myself in no middle of him come on my yard to me and my lady. Hella, if you cut me right there, see you don't see blood, you don't see nothing but anger. I hear me I say.
me see a video too, you know, me feel away for Tibby because me and Tibby are friend, but me and Tibby not friend like that, but me feel away.
You know how me feel away. Me in the video too big star like a David in a video watching friend get hit. You know everybody I say a David and best friend. That them I say no. Nobody now say oh I miss Joy's son. Nobody now say Errol's son. Nobody now say none of them sitting there. I say David and best friend. Cause me have name and me have fame and me. Brother, me no know, I feel away. And he beats me, but here
You sure see you feel away because Tibby a get the beaten, or you feel away because Tibby a ruin your image? Which one?
both. But I done that. Tell her, me I beg her. Me decide to say me I cut him off.
Why? Because I want him?
Because in this me 2 times over my lady. In come on my yard can't diss me and some for my business. So it's to me I say, me no in a nothing with him. Nothing at all. But me I beg you. Because I rate him just the same. My friend, I rate him just the same. Even though I'm move wide. Me I beg you, please talk to him.
You diss me?
You know this, you're a woman. Might be sometime you just want hear a woman.
Tibby this anybody, you don't say that. Tibby
But you
this
never this
anybody.
yet. I'm this.
He never this make me not put myself in a business.
Tell her, please. Me a beg you. Me a beg you. Do it as a favor to me. If I last thing ever do, you ever do for me, just do that for me. Please.
What talk to him, but not today.
What am I can do today?
Me a think over me yard do me think you here chat for the make like a sound like an emergency, like something bad happen.
Tell about post the woman lick him and bust up in head today and me end up seeing a hospital.
No, listen to me. Whether I head bust up or not, him a go alright. It's going to be okay. The woman beat him how much day now and he's still alive. Tomorrow, if he get beaten tonight, he go okay. Me will see him tomorrow. Me have business to deal with today. Me have my own problems, you know. Me have a life.
Alright.
They got something else they call me out here for. Me go got me
So why y'all look on this for? Me not tell her 6 minutes, what your problem? What you doing there chat with your girlfriend for?
So how me if you know when you reach 6 minutes? Then
Alright, me tell her,
my phone for
stop chat to me, sir. Me tell us how me run things. Stop chat to me, sir.
B, calm now,
Who you chat to, sir?
you're not happy about it. You know say between me go link Davi while ago. Davi done there chat me with the woman. Davi no one good youth, you know. Davi tell me say you beat me. And you come here and stop beat me. You love me, make you beat me.
Yeah, I love about me a beat you, Tibby. Me a beat you?
Of course.
Where say me a do?
I love no and I don't really beat you.
Exactly.
You show me say you love me and more love you give me more
Yeah.
love and more love. Then one say, you tell her the truth. You better than my ex. Be my ex did good enough, but you better.
Where say what I got
No,
to
me I say my ex did good, but you.
Stay put when you hurt yourself.
Do you want to me?
You fell.
Oh.
What do you mean by how? I said you fell. Lie down, you have to put pressure on the wound. It's very deep.
Be me, head at me.
So you now got to take your
What
machine?
to me forehead?
You know, to be honest, you fell and hit the rock. Yes, very tapping eyes now. Shh. Me doctor you. You're so ungrateful.
Be not ungrateful. That's why I have to love you, be.
Can me help you after you fell and hit your head?
Me did becoming drunk.
Yes, you're coming very high. Gosh.
So I have to love you, be. Take time, no man. No God, man. Take time, be. Take time. Take time.
Gosh.
So like how me sick, me not get no more lick for now.
Of course I still get lick if I misbehave. Anyways, babe. To avoid falling and hitting your head again, watch your tone, okay?
Hey, what kind of tone me come with now, be?
Because I just said that you hit your head.
What me say?
You said something about your ex and you just fell and hit your head.
Oh, probably me drunk.
Yeah, you were very high. Anyways, I'm gonna go on the road because I meet a new guy and we're gonna discuss some serious business. No matter that I'm new.
I go up on the road, you.
I just said it to you a while ago.
Come like through me lick made me I lose focus, you know.
So I'm going to stay up on the veranda and get fresh breeze and don't leave the yard. Don't invite no one in here. See me talk to you nice?
Because I have to love you, you know, be. You know what I say, be? All the men up here. I love when you beat me, you know. I love when you clown with me, you know.
Yeah, so I'm beat you again?
No, you.
Oh, just I love it. Oh,
I go up on the road.
Yeah, so don't come out.
Alright, you see, you always give me 6 minutes, take 12.
No, I'm your boss and you're the boss.
Alright, spend as much I want to spend.
Get up.
Take time, no man.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. I forgot to say you're in a pain. But you say you like it rough. Anyways, I'm gonna leave, okay, honey?
Alright, babe.
Head alright?
Yeah, man. Ah!
Oh, I'm so sorry. I test it. You good?
Yeah, me good.
Alright, me so come.
Before you go, lick me again, no.
Yeah.
Good love that. Oh.
No, see, that's why David let me go up there, you know. I'm just talking about people business. Hi.
Kayla.
Evening, me can't come in.
Why, me don't know you know, Kayla. Tell you the truth, you know.
I don't know if me can't come in.
You know what? Come in.
Stuff for cook a slow side of you.
I didn't want to sit down too close now because my woman probably come back from where she said she are going. I mean, I want she
Tibby.
think say.
What are you afraid?
You know, say I was told me drop on yesterday. Backside.
One stone, get a big chap there?
Then I what?
No man. You sure say no one rock? Are you good on the cliff, go dive off?
I mean, I go a cliff. I look like a Jimmy Cliff.
No man, remember say you can go chuck off in the sea water and probably you go head first and you lick one rock.
No, bro. If I lick rock, me no dead and drown out there.
Oh, one little stone can do for your head, so?
Well, Kayla, to be honest and tell you the truth, you know say, you see them here, my woman there up on the veranda and she have a bamboo in her hand, bamboo thick, you know. And me a chat about my ex and the only thing me remember and see is when she raised it. I don't know if she lick me, I don't know if I stone me drop on field, but she tell me say I stone me drop on.
Oh God, Timmy. Your life sad. Your life really sad. That look like say a woman knock you with the bamboo.
She not, if I really she do it, she not more wicked youth.
But Tibby, when we really come over here about steals, you know, cause it look like said David did right.
So what? See, I tell me say David I would have chat say me get knocked with bamboo.
No man, I'm not David alone I talk about. Everybody I talk about it, but he never tell me say get knocked with bamboo.
Why tell us it?
Say you have woman a beat you and how you disrespect him and how you and him friendship done.
So Kayla, I can ask you something. One time a woman love a man, how she prove you love her, how she show you love?
You treat them nice.
No,
You are something else.
them beat it, them partner. The woman supposed to beat him man for show him man love. You know hear a song say only love can hurt like this. You don't know that song there?
You feel like say when your woman licking it with the bamboo, you lose a couple more senses than the one they made it have.
Alright, bye babe.
Alright,
Later.
Alright, baby.
Kayla, I'm not really that no. But me have a question. Before me even ask you a question. You know say David did right. Cause David tell me say yo there is no way a woman can love you and a ill treat you. A beat you go, beat you come. And you know say me this David 2 times.
Me hear both him tell me.
2 times me this David. And me
tell
and David
me.
are good friend. But that woman there, me no feel say I love she love me. Cause there is no way you can lick me with a bamboo, bust up my forehead, box me down in a crowd. Yeah, what do you bust up my head, you know? Big kid, you know, have me in a coma, you know?
So what kind of life you live, Tibby?
Me in a coma for 3,065, 68, 75, 16
Calm
years.
down, cause so much time has not passed. Calm down. You're really mad. Listen to me, Tibby.
Me mad for it. Me not chat now with sense, that's true.
No. Tibby, listen to me. You see life where I live, it don't look good at all. And once me come and tell you, no, see I true. It's thinking of Tibby, me not look why you look like you're a suck out worse than how you did tan already. The girl don't love you. What you need to do is put her out. Cause this is your house, this is your place.
If any woman coming on my life, me mash up. Jessica, you mash up my life.
You mash up if it's true, you don't look good at all.
But, if you tell you the truth, Kayla, you can't reason with it because a long time you know you still.
Yeah.
You know someone put out the girl.
So I
you
stop
know
you.
how to do it. Give me
Timmy.
one good idea.
We may not there's many ways to put her out. Pack up her bag them and left them on the veranda.
You're mad. You want she beat me?
Lock the grill, put them outside out there and lock the grill.
You don't say that rape me though, you're not sorry for me.
Maybe I'm sorry for you.
Kai, why you want me put her out? You want she beat me?
Yeah man. And if she stay in the house, she still a go beat you. Yeah, like say you're a little boy. Me wouldn't want to like you, you know. You like you're not no use.
I don't really say I have no use, you know. Me swear think I love a woman love a man and a woman beat a man, but me I get to realize that she want cripple me, she want paralyze me.
Why she beat you? If you don't mind me ask. What you do?
Right question.
You cheat?
Cheat. Why?
Probably if you are cheating and get the beating them, you deserve it.
If me did a cheat, it would have bother not so bad. But me get, bro, I tell her say, woman there, for one period of time, and I tell her say, every single day beat me.
So you're not afraid of lose a life? Because you need to head and know when you're just gone. You not come back.
Why me I tell her youth.
Oh God.
And me head at me. But as a matter of fact, see me and coming.
Hey, woman.
I think if you hide it.
Hide where?
Get that load up your mouth, no, brother, and you beat me, bro. I see no one there to hide.
Okay. Hello, what going on, sir?
No, go on. What for you go on?
Hello, why you
Hello,
not
shut up. I feel your place.
No, man.
See me. How you get that phone at Tibby?
Find me.
Tibby, how you get that phone
I
there?
must say me sick. Me is a sick
Okay, so imagine a Japan nearly bust out your head. And I'm mid there yourself, you're a doctor, as a loving woman. Are you a call girl for coming to my house?
Me and him not talk.
Girl, Mr. Shut up. Look for the girl we're carrying her house too. Yo, give me
Tibby. Come on, this is a test.
You would. Wait.
Remember say me a sick me.
You're me lick out the next boy. What woman I do in my house? See, you bring girl come on me yard, Tibby. You bring girl come on me yard. I'm gonna knock out the head. Lift up. Hey girl. I don't want to I don't house, girl. I'm gonna kill her. Watch me, boy. Here.
Davi.
Yo,
Davi.
what happened?
Davi, listen. I'm tired.
What happened to you?
Hey. Hold on. You see you? Hey. No man have never yet let me run and squeal, you know.
So what happened?
You tell me to go back to me and talk to me.
I don't remember say, you go, what happened?
Baby, you just ask me to go and me go because they asked me to go, and when me go, you can't be some good there say.
What?
When me go up there, me and Tibby up there talk good Tibby and say how he feel trapped, how he can't get rid of the woman and one heap of some. So I say if you put out your woman, right? Me further along in the conversation, Tibby say I think go and do it. When Tibby say, see me woman a come, hide, hear me in my enough self. Things me think I want to fool girl a beat up Tibby, you know. You know myself say, me not hide. When me look, David, the woman come in, start shut up at Tibby. Sometimes I cannot deal with him, so. The woman say, shut up! And now your turn, sit down. So me sit down. Because clearly it's not my turn, so me sit down. When me look, mama just go to the for the bamboo tape. And he start beat Tibby and I say my beat.
Aye.
One time it look like say when he come in for it like he want to lick him there for and chuck off his so.
So you're not looking for Tibby?
No!
Swear though.
Me run because she want to beat me. What you mean what me do?
That me send you over there for solve the problem.
You think I gave me run left my slippers yet?
So you run for suppose?
Yes!
Me share my yo.
Shiba who?
Me share my yo.
Shiba who?
Me can't believe so me send you over there to fix the problem and girl make you run for suppose. Me share my yo, Kayla.
Me go over there and me say mad man. So me if you turn up and take beat with Tibby I own big man. You see next time you have no problem with your Tibby conversation, do not read my lip properly and look at my face expression. No come at me yard and no call me phone. Come in and Mexico, nobody lick me down. You hear? Put that in your head. Cause Tibby up there get on, go to a lick. So you lucky. You go call the popo or do something to help me. Tibby say, listen to this what Tibby say. Tibby say feel trapped. He can't get rid of the woman. So you can't blame him. He's afraid of the woman. He even afraid to put out the woman. So you must come here in my yard. You want to be figure it out. You know figure it out. You know figure it out. You know say you say you don't chat back to me. Till the next 4 years. You make guy run me down.
Hey boy, you see? Where you run go?
Please, sir.
Me say where you run go? You see you? You see you?
Please, sir.
What kind of disgrace that in my place, my youth?
No, she.
Me say what kind of disgrace that Tibby in my place?
She get what?
Where you move? Me say what kind of disgrace that in my place? Eh?
I don't know.
Yeah, I'm suffocating other pillar, ya boy.
I remember my fine.
I don't care, me mash it up again. Me tell her that.
Let me explain.
You bring girl to my place. Eh? Dirty boy, if you bring girl to my place, I will make you start bleed.
Let me explain now.
Explain what?
Let me explain.
Tibby, explain what? Eh?
You know, I get calls, say me not for about 3 days now. I call look for me. Please,
Because you take the phone. I hide the phone, so how you get it back? How you get it back? Me ask you a question before you get it back. Are we, you don't have no sense, I say, boy. You know, me put at this, you know. Dirty.
Baby, please.
I will have to
She not even coming in your house, you know,
What
upon
do
the
you mean by she
back.
not coming here? What do you mean, man? What do you mean by she not coming here? Eh? I will mash up your face, you know, if you bring that coming in your place. Dirty boy.
Just beat, Bill, beat.
Talk! Talk faster!
Beat,
She said talk fast, you. Talk fast. Look for me when you talk.
Beat.
What you say? Talk. What happened? What happened?
She not even coming in your house, B. She come for the veranda.
So you bring woman coming to my house for?
For the veranda.
At my house! You can't bring girl coming and so like say, we take this time. You take me back. You take me back. We step in your conscience, you know. You can't go to the door. Come. Bring nobody coming here again. Dirty boy.
Father God. Should have did follow David for a morning, you know. Come like me get stuck, I want me get myself, you know. Ah! Alright, you have made it to the end of the film. Hope so you like the movie. If you don't like it and want to see more like it, remember if you like, make sure you comment on your favorite part, big up on your favorite actor. By the way, remember people, this movie is available on the Carib Streams app, so just check the description. We have a whole lot more project. Just check it out for your favorite Jamaican movies, and we have so much more going on. Just check it out. It's like Netflix but for the Caribbean. So just big up your fans then. Continue support we and just continue to watch all the movies and do all that you guys do. So big up on yourself.